Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a LEGO review of LEGO City Train Track set 60205 from 2018 to 2019. And you get 8 flex tracks and also have 8 straight tracks, as you can see. And also you get 4 curved tracks, and I bought this in 2019 at Toys R Us in Port Elizabeth, South Africa. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and please leave a comment in the comment box below, and please share the links to my videos if toy companies want to contact me for future sponsorships. My email is in my contact info in a link in the description box below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.